in this video. Sometimes I have to swallow my pride, says Marc Marquez. Franco Morbidelli desperately waiting for winter break. A pain relief after so many crashes for Pol Espargaro. And Jorge Lorenzo's analysis of Fabio Quartararo's title win. My name is Sankalp and this is your Racing News Fix. Although still far from his old self, Marc Marquez is slowly coming close to higher levels of physical fitness. But that is not all. Listening to Marc's interviews this year, it is very evident that going through this rough patch has also enabled an already mentally strong Marc Marquez to grow even stronger, and he might come out of this dark period an even better rider than he previously was. Speaking about the newfound joy in winning and celebrating, Marc said, "Before, winning was not a routine, but I lived as if it was. I used to think, okay, I won, now the next one. But now it's, whoa, I won, let's celebrate. Because we don't know when the next one will come, so it is more special now." Everyone knows that Marc's problem at the moment is his right shoulder, and the turns in that direction are his limitation. Explaining his limitations, Marc continued, "I feel too much difference between what I'm doing in the right and left corners. That is where I want to improve. It is not Honda's fault, but my position on the bike. Riding like this is difficult for me. When I want to be natural, I make mistakes. Accidentally, I go outside the line. It is frustrating until you figure it out. I crashed because I was trying to go as fast as I could, and I soon realized it could not be done. Not because I don't know how to do it, because I tried to do something that I can't do now. I have to understand the situation I am in and be realistic. I have to swallow my pride." A lot of experts seem to believe that the injury will always stay at the back of Marc's mind. Disagreeing with that, Marc said, "Mentally, the injury doesn't slow me down at all. I don't race thinking I am injured, but the pain makes you think. It prevents you from riding as before. It's not the same thing to ride thinking only about the bike, the setup. Instead, you have to just do 2 fast laps in a practice session, 3 more in another, just to save yourself physically." And further speaking about his growth this year, Marc said, "One of my weaknesses was not being able to accept not being ready to win, not being able to go fast. This year, I am realizing it. If I am 9th in a session, I can accept it. Better times will come. Earlier, it was all or nothing. Now I am working on it and I hope it will help me in the future." After missing the first 4 rounds after the summer break, Franco Morbidelli came back to racing at the San Marino GP. In the 3 races since then, barely seeing the checkered flag has been a task for the Yamaha rider. Speaking about his problems, Frankie said, "It is still difficult to bend the knee, but I now have more strength in my leg than I did in Austin and I can force to bend it like that. That's the situation and I'll have to get used to it by the end of the season. It is already getting better. Not the knee itself, but the muscle mass all around. But next year, it will be better." Speaking about how desperately he is waiting for the winter break, Frankie said, "In order for the knee to fully recover, I will need the winter break because now it is constantly stressed. Because I not only have to get healthy, but also train and race at the same time. That is not necessarily what the knee wants now, but I want it and that's what we have to do. It becomes important to continue working on the muscles around the knee. There is still a lot of room for improvement to make it work. After that, the break in winter will help and make sure that it is completely in order." Pol Espargaro switching from KTM to Honda was one of the biggest rider movements before the start of this season. Since the retirement of Dani Pedrosa, none of Marc Marquez's teammates have been able to tame the RC213V, so naturally this move had the potential to ruin Pol's future in the sport. Since the start of the season, Pol has been leading the number of crashes and struggling to adapt to Honda. The first ray of hope came in the shape of pole position at Silverstone, and the P2 at Emilia-Romagna GP was, in his own words, a pain relief for all the crashes sustained in the way. Pol said, "I took a huge risk in my career last year leaving KTM, and honestly everyone saw I was struggling a lot during the year, but finally to get this result is super nice for me. It means a lot to break this wall of the podium here in Repsol Honda. It is a pain relief. For sure it's important for me, but I just saw Takeo's face, Kuwata-san's face today, and it was more than amazing. It is crazy how happy they are." And Fabio Quartararo is Yamaha's first champion since Jorge Lorenzo in 2015, and although Lorenzo jumped ship to Ducati and to Honda before calling it quits, he still considers himself a Yamaha rider. According to the 5-time world champion, Fabio completely deserves the championship this year, and so do the Yamaha racing team. It is well deserved for all the parties. Yamaha has always been working a lot. The bike is always very complete, very compensated. And for Fabio, no one expected when he arrived at Petronas in 2019 that he would be so competitive and would be a world champion, said Jorge. Further speaking about the key to Fabio becoming a world champion, Jorge continued, "This year, he never made a mistake. And finally, in MotoGP World Championship, you cannot win every race. You always find a track that doesn't suit you or doesn't suit your bike. But in that case, you need to finish the race. You cannot crash. Third, fourth or fifth, it doesn't matter. You need to finish the race. That's exactly what Fabio did this season. If you made it till here, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. To stay up to date on all things MotoGP, hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. Here are 2 more videos which you might enjoy. My name is Sankalp and I'll be back with another video very soon.